What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and I'm here with Michael.
Hey guys, what's up?
Turn it around, bro. Today we're going to be installing an Extreme Online Sport lip on his 2022 Camaro LT1. We've done a lot of modifications to this car, so if you guys want to check out some previous product installations and review, go ahead and check out the links in the description below or the cards above. We're going to be installing a lip that is basically going to give it a little bit more depth. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys how that looks like. And unfortunately, we're going to have to be filming in the rain because South Florida things, you know. This one's actually in the unpainted version. Michael kind of likes the theme of it. It looks really cool with his previously installed spoiler. It looks really nice too. And we're also going to be installing side skirts in a separate video. But today we're just focusing on the lip. Go ahead and just open it up real quick. Oh, it's carbon fiber.
I can explain.
Cool.
I mean, okay. That's great. You cool with that?
Yeah, I'm cool with that. I think it's carbon, bro.
It's actual carbon?
Yeah, look at that. That's the weave. Oh, I hope it doesn't snap.
We're not gonna go underwater, alright? Rest in peace, y'all, for real. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and test fit this real quick. 1, 2. That's how you get. That's really nice, dude. Like,
Yep.
damn, yo. We have technology. Okay, guys, so here's what comes inside of the kit. Obviously, the instructions. They should really update this because this is from the previous 6th generation Camaro. It's going to be held on by these screws that come in the kit, and also there's some M-tape for some added support. And that's pretty much it. So it's the lip, unpainted, gloss black, or carbon fiber, and of course the necessary screws that you're gonna need. Basically, what you'll be needing is some basic power tools, which we'll show you throughout the video, and I'm also going to be listing it in the description below so you guys have it and you can purchase it as well. He's already loosening up the factory nuts.
Yep.
Right here. These are 7mm, and I think they're all around this area. Damn, bro, you're already scratching it?
Yeah, bro. Now I'm concerned with this.
Bro. So yeah, you're gonna basically unscrew all of these right along the bottom part of the bumper, the chin essentially. And as you can see, these all line up to those. Now, in terms of using a jack, if you're riding on factory wheels or factory ride height, you should be fine. So what we're gonna basically do is try using it by hand. On my car, as you guys can see, I have a huge Z28 style lip and I lowered it 3/4 of an inch. So that's gonna be pain to basically ever install or remove that. Bro, is that Michelangelo, bro? And also there is a, what was it, T15?
Yeah, it's
in between these 7mm.
Yeah, this one right here, it's a little bit hidden. We looked on the lip and we saw that it does correlate, so we're gonna take that one out as well.
We're not really gonna use these anymore, so just keep them as a spare in case you wanna sell the lip, which you probably won't. No. Keep them there, and then let's go ahead and take out the rest of the T15s.
Ow. It's like spinning something in the back. I don't know what.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to speak a little louder. Sorry for the headphone users. But after doing a little bit of research and trying to actually loosen that T15, it's not coming out. So we're just gonna proceed without it. So let's go ahead and move to the next step, which is now sanitizing this part of the lip so we can go ahead and attach the M-tape. Dude, this better hold. Can you go away? As part of the added components within the kit for the carbon fiber spoiler, you do actually get some alcohol pads. Michael says apparently I can't use like actual like drinking vodka because it's gonna ruin it. What? So I don't know, but we're just gonna go ahead and use that. Damn, that's good. Yo, it's actually, damn, if you paint it black. You also want to use the leftover alcohol wipey and pass it underneath here. Because again, that's exactly what that M-tape is going to be sticking to. All right guys, so now that we've went ahead and put the tape, we sanitized the bottom and the top, now comes the most I think, difficult part of this whole thing, and it's getting it into place. Now, before you actually start putting it into place, what we suggest doing is peeling off the end pieces here, sticking them onto the end. That way, when you actually like stick it into place, all you do is peel it off and push the rest of it. We're gonna be tightening the screws on either end of it, so it can actually just maintain all the form possible. Yo, I spent like the last 5 minutes trying to loosen this, but I was loosening it, not tightening it, bro.
Already loosey, lefty loosey.
No, bro.
I've been ready tighty.
Yeah, okay.
No, that's what you were doing.
Nah, negative.
This one in like butter.
That's what she said.
Oh!
I'm doing a little bit of perimeter defense here. Yo, look.
Enemy spotted.
Oh, yo, I got that.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much fun are you having right now trying to figure that out?
Solid 5.
So we're noticing that some of these holes, they kind of just, even if you like tighten them, they still fly out. So we recommend just getting a bolt to secure it from the back end. So like when you, where's the hole here? We're using the original holes.
Yeah, I'm just making them slightly bigger.
What we're doing with this mechanism is essentially just using the original holes, tightening it, and then from the top screwing it in so it clamps down from the top, and of course from the bottom it's secured and tight.
And honestly, this is probably even more secure.
100%.
Yeah.
That's what we did with my lip, actually.
Yeah. Okay, it's in.
Yeah.
There's my tool.
Yeah, man, that is sick. Wow. Yeah, dude, it looks great, especially out like with some sunlight out. God damn, boy. Pretty easy install for like the most part, except the situation where we had to kind of like do our own jerry-rigged makeshift lug nuts and the bolts.
Yeah, but that's no fault of the spoiler. That was like the bumper.
Oh,
Bumper
okay,
wasn't
so
grabbing, yeah.
right, so that's just kind of like an added measure. You could use the self-tapering screws, but let's be honest, self-tapering screws are kind of just like the C plus just to get by. I would go the extra mile and use that and just add a little bit more, even though it is tested to work with the self-tapering. But you know, added security doesn't hurt. It takes an extra like what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to do.
Not even, because if you have them,
Right
right away.
But man, it looks so good. I can't wait to see the other carbon fiber pieces that we're going to be installing on this car. Alright guys, so if you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. If you enjoy my videos as a whole, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future how-to, my product reviews, etc, etc. Guys, thank you so much, and I will catch you on the next one. Yo! If there's one thing that you would like to share with your audience on something that you've learned in your time at Home Depot, what would it be?
If you ever need 85s like Monster.
Bruh.